So hello everyone, today we will discuss gradient. What is this and what is its mean? So suppose you have a function phi of x, y, z and which represent the temperature in a room. So gradient tells you in which direction the temperature increase fastest or how fast it increase. If we take another example, suppose you are standing on a hill, so the gradient tells you the exact direction you should walk to reach the top fastest. Okay, so this is basically the meaning of gradient. Okay, before going to check how to find the gradient, so there is a function or there is a vector which is a del vector, which is I cap del y del x plus j cap del y del y plus k cap del y del z. Okay, so the gradient is or grade of phi is del vector with phi. Okay, so this is I cap del phi by del x plus j cap del phi by del y plus k cap del phi by del z. So this is the gradient, means with this formula we can evaluate or we can find the gradient. Okay, so let us take one example. If we have phi is equals to x, y, z square, we have to find the gradient of this function at 1, 1, 1. So the gradient is del phi. So I cap del y del x plus j cap del y del y plus k cap del y del z. And phi is x, y, z square. So if we differentiate this function with respect to x, so we have y into z square I cap plus, if we differentiate this function with respect to y, so we have xz square, so xz square into j cap. If we differentiate this function with respect to z, so we have 2xyz k cap. This is the gradient. And we have to find the gradient at this point, means 1, 1, 1. X is 1, y is 1, z is 1. So if we put these values of x, y, z, so we have I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. So this is the gradient at this point. Okay. So you can easily find the gradient of any function with this formula. Okay. Thank you.